Hey guys, Siddharth here with another video. In this video, we'll be looking at the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom. This is not a new speaker, it came out around 2.5 years ago. I was looking at a decent waterproof speaker and this was on sale, so I got it. These usually go for around $50 to $60, but I got mine from Best Buy because it was at a deal. Um, the speaker comes in a lot of different colors and offers around 10 hours of battery life, but I've seen people say that you would get 10 hours at mid volume and the battery life at full volume is about 2 hours. It is waterproof, dust proof, drop proof. Basically, they have made it like a tank. So let's get started and see what we got in the box. So as you can see, it is IPX7 certified, so you can throw them in a pool. It is also drop proof, so you shouldn't worry about minor drops breaking the speaker. It has 360-degree sound and about 10 hours of battery life. So you can see here that you can connect two Wonderboom speakers together to play sound on both of them, but you can only connect two. You cannot connect more than two speakers together. So let's open the box and see what's inside. As you can see, it's a pretty interesting box. I really like the design of the box. So let's take out the speaker and see how it is. I really like the fabric they have put on this. Feels really solid and well built. There are two massive volume buttons on the front, and on the top you have three buttons. There is a UE button. There's Ultimate Ears button, and I'm pretty sure it has multiple functions like play or pause or skip to the next track or something. And then there is I think it's I think this is also a button. I think this is a Bluetooth pairing button, and this is a power button. So as you can see, when I press this, is powered up. So on the back, you have a micro USB. So as you can see, you have a micro USB charging port, which I really don't like. I think they should have gone with the USB-C port, since most of the devices nowadays use USB-C, and I'll have to carry extra cable just for this. Um, so let's keep this speaker aside and take a look at what else is in the box. There's some information brochure, and I think this must be the micro USB cable. So as you can see, they have given a micro USB cable, and it's good that they have at least provided the cable, because I might have some old micro USB cable lying around, but it's good thing that they have provided so that I don't have to look around for that. So I don't think there's anything else in the box. So let's keep this box aside and get back to the speaker. So let's pair this speaker up with my phone and play some songs to test the sound quality. I know this may not be the right representation of the sound quality of the speaker, and what you hear will depend on the mic quality and the speaker that you're using. But let's give it a try. So I'll be setting this up with my iPhone, and let's see how easy it is to set this up. So as you can see, this is blinking, so I think its Bluetooth is discoverable, and it shows up in my iPhone. If I click on this, I think it should be able to. So I think the sound that came out of the speaker confirms that it's connected. Now let's just play some songs and see how the sound quality is.
Wake, wake, wake to 6 a.m. Time to work. Let me make you come again. Do it, yeah. Keep it hush, 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 don't tell no one.
So the sound was really loud. So I was surprised that this speaker would be that loud. Uh, but the sound quality, according to me, was not the best one. I usually use Samsung Galaxy Buds to listen to songs, and I think the sound quality is way better in those than this. I know it's not a fair comparison. Samsung Galaxy Bud is a lot more expensive than this, so the sound quality should be great. And but still, I just for comparison, I think the sound quality is good, but it's not that great according to me. But still, there are like few things that I like about the speaker. The first thing is that they have 360-degree sound. So no matter where I rotated the speaker, I always felt the sound is coming directly towards me. The second thing is these speakers they are not just waterproof. They also float in water. So if you drop it in a lake or even a swimming pool, it would be really easy to get it back. Um, the third thing is obviously they're really loud. I mean, the sound quality may not be the best, but they are definitely loud. And that um, and the last but not the least thing is they are really well built from the reviews I've seen online. It feels like it can take a lot of rough handling and drops. The things that I don't like about this is first thing is, it has a micro USB charging port, so I'll have to carry an extra cable around with me, as all my other devices use a USB-C or Lightning port. Um, it plays song via Bluetooth and not Wi-Fi. Um, it's a cheap speaker, so uh, that's fine, I guess. But the main thing that I don't like about the speaker is the sound quality. It's I would still say it's decent, decent to good, but it's definitely not the best ones I've heard. Within like $100 speakers. So that's my take on the speaker. So before I wrap up this video, let me just quickly show you a waterproof test of the speakers. And they are rated as IPX7 and it should easily survive this water test. So I'll play some song. Tell me anything you like. Keep your body running till the daylight. So the song is playing. Let's dip it in water, and I really hope it doesn't break. It is floating a little bit. As you can see, this the fabric of this speaker does retain some water. I'm like trying to get rid of the water, but it's still uh, not going. So I'll just quickly wrap it in a towel. Although the fabric does hold some water, I don't see any damage at all to the speaker. It's playing sound perfectly fine. And as you can see, this button is used for play and pause. Let's see what happens if we long press this button. I think it disconnects it. Thanks again for watching. Please hit the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos, and also comment if you have any feedback, or if you want to know something specific about the speaker, or want me to do some other test on this. See you in the next video.